The average person spends 99% of their free time on their phone, and most of it is completely wasted. You pick up your phone, you start scrolling, send pointless snaps, watch porn, hours gone, no benefits, just you left feeling guilty. And here's what nobody tells you. Boredom is where the greatest men are built. It's in that boredom where your best ideas come to you, where you can create. That's where you get ahead of your competition who's busy wasting their bored time. The moment I stopped wasting my bored time and started using it, I went to Mexico and got called to a League Academy, flew to Spain for trials, built an awesome following worth millions of views, and landed my first couple clients. None of that would have happened if I was scrolling and doing nothing with my downtime. So here are 6 things you can do when you're bored at home. So starting off with mental activities. First thing you can do when you're bored is called a brain dump. And I know you're thinking, Tommy, what is that? Here's what you do. First, grab a pen and paper, and for 10 minutes straight, write down every thought that enters your brain. No filter, no overthinking, just write. This helps you process all the thoughts that are flowing through your brain. And the reason this works so well is because think of majority of the guys out there bombarded with a bunch of dopamine, scrolling 24/7 and music in their ears. They avoid dealing with all the things going on up here. Stress, their goals, and they never actually deal with it. But when you do this brain dump, you clear all that out. You walk away with clarity and it feels really peaceful in the end. I do this whenever my head feels full, and every single time I finish knowing exactly what I need to focus on. Number 2 under mental is called The Stranger Lecture. So go on YouTube or Netflix and find a documentary on a subject you know absolutely nothing about. Could be history, science, economics, doesn't matter. And now watch it like you're gonna have a big test at the end of it. Pause the video, take notes, and really try and absorb all the info. Most of the time when you're bored, you're consuming stuff that requires zero thought. And this is the opposite. You're actually absorbing something. Do this consistently, and you can make connections that the people around you can't. You become more knowledgeable on so many different subjects, which then you can use in conversations, and then people think you're interesting. Last one under mental is called the boardroom. Find a quiet room, a quiet area where you're alone. No phone, no music, no distractions. Set a 15-minute timer, and for that time, sit alone with one problem you have. Not journaling it, not texting it to someone, just you and your problem. And I know to many of you, that probably sounds so stupid, and you're probably thinking, bro, that's gonna be so uncomfortable. Well, yeah. It is, bro. But most people never confront their problems, and then it shows in other parts of their life, their career, their relationships. So try this exercise, and who knows, by the end of the 15 minutes, you might have a solution for your problem. Some of my clearest decisions came from doing exactly this, so give it a shot. Alright, now we're moving into creative. The first thing you can do is called the Redesign Challenge. Pick one thing you do every single day. Your morning routine, your breakfast, the way you structure your day, and rebuild it from scratch like you're launching a new product. Before I went to Mexico, I sat down and redesigned my entire routine. In this process, you figure out what you don't need, things that cost you time and drain your energy, and new things you can add into your routine that bring you happiness or productivity. As you're going through it, ask yourself what's working, what's wasting my time, and what needs to go. This shouldn't take you any longer than 30 to 40 minutes, and at the end of that block, you will feel so much sharper. And always remember, the point isn't to make this routine perfect, because it hardly ever will. Routines are never perfect. But the goal is to force your brain to think about things that you've been doing on autopilot. Now the second thing under creative, this one's a fast one. I call it the invisible vlog. Pick up your phone and film 60 to 90 seconds of your day. No context, no audience, no pressure. You don't have to post this video, it's just for you. The cool thing about this is you have so much freedom and so much room to be creative with it. Talk about anything you want. School, work, a relationship, anything you want, bro. But don't just film yourself talking in front of the camera. That's a little boring. Try making this a professional video. Find some clips around you and add B-roll, that additional footage to whatever you're saying. What this does is train your brain and your eye. It trains you to reflect on what's going on in your life, to find angles and look at what's interesting around you. And by the end of the process, you built something that you should be proud of. A video about yourself that looks sick. I was doing this exact thing before I took my content seriously. Builds your skills and forces you to think creatively. And finally, financially. For financial, I'm only covering one thing, so we're gonna make this one count. I call it the Vault Audit. I want you you to your bank account right now and find one thing you're paying for monthly. A Netflix subscription, a Spotify subscription, maybe it's something you buy consistently every month. Then I want you to block out 20 minutes and decide if you really need this thing. Is it actually returning value to your life? You see, in my case, a lot of my subscriptions are just software to edit videos for my business. And yeah, these return a lot of value to me because they save me so much time. And even apps like Netflix or Spotify could be returning value to your life. Netflix could give you some downtime at the end of the day to just chill. Spotify could help you lock into your work blocks a lot better. And bro, I'm not telling you to go cancel every subscription, just one thing that isn't bringing you any value. Because a lot of people let subscriptions stack up and never even question it. So develop the habit to question where your money goes every time. And there you go, 6 things, all of which I've done personally. None of this is theory. The greatest version of you isn't built when you're busy. It's built in the moments everyone else is wasting. So next time you're bored, come back to this video and pick one of these things to do off the list. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And send this to someone who needs it. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.